And again, the only thing we're doing is externally rotating, letting the cable pull us all the way, more, yep, and then come back. Come on, I'm gonna help you. One more rep, 3, 2, 1, hold, keep going, keep holding, and relax. You're gonna pivot yourself here, stretch on the outer hip, squeeze. Right, same principle. I'm shortening this. The cable is pulling me into external rotation. Squeeze. So right now, the cable wants to pull your leg into external rotation like this. What I want you to do now is internally rotate, and then when you get to this position, you should feel that outer hip fully contracting. I'm gonna let go. Now slowly let the cable pull you, right? This bone is the only thing that's kind of corkscrewing, and if you don't like this setup as much, that's okay. That's like someone saying, I prefer a pendulum squat over a hack squat. I prefer a leg press over a hack squat. I prefer a preacher curl over a dumbbell curl. It's just a different modality, different way to train hip rotation.